super soft.
Hello friends, I'm back here with my friends and we are in the kitchen right now.
One thing I can tell you, like, I don't like anything complicated, and I don't want to make more time in the kitchen. So that means it's going to be quick and easy recipe. Let's follow.
Matthews, do you wanna reveal what we are gonna make today?
Yes, today we are going to prepare a really nice dessert that is a traditional dessert in Brazil that's called Rabanada. It's delicious, guys.
Okay friends, so Matthews and Ingrid,
Oh.
they will help me to make Rabanada.
So guys, we need some simple ingredients which is available in any store. First ingredient is bread. This is bucket. This is a long bucket. You can use smaller size also. And next, some common ingredients like oil. This is sugar, and this is cinnamon.
Cinnamon, yes.
Cinnamon, yeah. And some milk and some egg. So now we are gonna cut this bucket into small pieces. We can do like in 3 finger pieces like that way. So
In the meantime, guys, I put some milk here in the recipe. Just a little bit. The amount of milk and the number of eggs that you need to cook, it depends on the size of your baguette. So if you have a lot of bread, you're gonna need more milk and more eggs, okay? So after you put the egg, you have to mix it a little bit. And now we can start prepare our bread for the rabanada. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I get the bread, I put in the milk, both sides, okay? It's important that the bread absorbs a little bit of the milk. So after you feel that the bread absorbed a lot of milk, you can put on the eggs, okay? So now Ingrid will show you how to do it. It's important to pass in every side of the bread, okay? Now learn how. Very nice. Now we are prepared to fry it.
So finally these are ready, and we are gonna fry it right now. Oil to fry, and the amount of oil will be so that the bottom portion of this pot get filled. Flame should be low like this.
Because we need to fry it very slowly, okay?
Okay. Put this in the oil.
Oh, it's okay. You can let a little bit more. It need to be a little bit darker than it, okay?
Okay, so this is almost done. You can see the color here, and I have taken already a plate here with some paper so that this oil gets soaked.
Now that the rabanada is done, it's fried, we're gonna put a little bit of sugar here, okay, in a plate. A nice amount of sugar. And then we are gonna put the most important ingredient, that is cinnamon, okay? So the amount is up to you. It depends how much you like this ingredient. So I put here together with the sugar and mix it, okay? So when the sugar and canela reach a brown color, like this one, it's good, okay? So for me, I like a little bit more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of vanilla, cinnamon. And then what we do, we get the rabanada, okay? And we put here and we throw it in everything, okay? So we do this way. It must cover the entire rabanada. So after that, our dessert is done. It should be like this. Beautiful.
It's super soft.
Okay, so guys, our rabanada is really ready, and I told you just few minutes, and it's done. And I really want to thank Matthews and Ingrid for this great recipe.
Thank
Here
you
it is.
guys.
Thank you.